Hi, guys, and welcome back. This reading is for the month of July, and we are looking at Aries. So, if you have your Sun, Moon, Rising, or your Saturn sitting in the sign of Aries, this is the career reading for the month of July for you guys. The first card that I have for you guys is Five of Pentacles. Many of you might be feeling that you are stuck in a situation where there's not a lot of cash flow that's coming towards you. It could also mean when it comes to your work environment, you could be in a situation where you feel like your colleagues or your supervisors, or if you're working in a team, your team members are not supporting you. It's just a feeling of being left out, or feeling abandoned in whatever it is that you are doing. And it's also number 5, so a lot of this could be related to uh, immature behavior by somebody in the team, or by your boss. So those things are very, very prominent so far. The next card that I have for you is the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles, again, Page is a very childlike energy. There's a lot of childlike qualities to it, but at the same time, it does tell me the Page of Pentacles is that you are wanting things to improve in the long run. You are okay tolerating whatever is going on at the moment, but you want things to improve so that you can actually sustain in the same position with the same company or the same team for a longer term. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Standing Stone card, so number 11, which is number 2 of Moon. So we are having a mix of Mercury and Moon here. So those two planets are very prominent in this reading. And Moon is something which is very intuitive, and Mercury is your brain. So you're using your heart, you're using your brain at the same time, but just so you're coming from a point which is not able to see the entire bird's eye view of the situation. So, the way you're thinking about the situation is only from one particular point, but you're not looking at the entire situation. So, looking at these three cards, my recommendation to you would be is to evaluate the situation for what it is. Have a third eye perspective to the situation instead of jumping to conclusions so quickly. Because this Standing Stone card does tell me that if you are hoping to travel, if you're hoping for a promotion, I do feel it is coming for a lot of you. Because of this card, these two cards, this card possibly could also mean that you, because of the workload, because you're feeling alone either in your personal life or in your career life, you're not able to give time, or you're not able to balance your working life and your personal life. So those things can also be applicable to you. Take what resonates and leave out the rest. The next card that I have for you guys is the Battle Wagon. So, promotion, yes. Increase in finances, yes, it is going to happen. I also see travel for many of you guys. This travel could be either by car, if you are local. It could be a short term travel. A lot of travel is going to happen in the month of July for you guys. It could also mean that you could be traveling because of work. For many countries are now open, and the restrictions have been lifted. So I do feel like many of you, if your visas are stuck, if you are stuck in a country where you're not moving, or you are not working, there are chances that you might go back to the country where you are actually moving or working. The next card that I have for you guys is the Nine of Pentacles. So many of you are actually focused on long term planning. You want success, you want growth, you want that promotion, you want to reach that level of leadership where people look up to you. That is a very prominent theme in your cards. And in the month of July, you are actively going to start taking steps towards them. Also, the Nine of Pentacles tells me that there is either a fixed deposit, there is a claim that, or the money that you are owed, that you're going to get in this month. People are going to give you the money that they owe you. If your money is stuck in your work, in your profession, or somebody owes you the money, you're definitely going to get it. So financially, it does seem like you are making good progress. Career wise also, you are making good progress. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Wild Hunt, number 16, 6 and 1. 7 is the number of south node, or Ketu as we say it. And Ketu, whenever it happens, it gives you knowledge. So you are going to open yourself up to some knowledge. Why knowledge? Because this is the Tower card. A Tower moment either has not happened, is about to happen, especially when it comes to your finances. This coming with travel and finances, my only advice to you would be to keep a very, like, go through your documents 2 or 3 times before you submit any application forms. If you are signing any legal documents, please pay attention to what you are signing on. This thing is also telling me that financially you may not be as literate as you think you are, so it is time to invest or to hire a financial manager, or even, open up Google and search for financial instrument or financial, you know things that could benefit you. So different financial products, you need to start learning about them so you don't go through this moment. So the entire focus here is on this Five of Pentacles moment. Let's see what else is going on. The next card that I have for you guys is the Knight of Pentacles. See, the growth is happening. You are in for growth, and it's not like it's going to happen only in the month of July. No matter how your past months have been, you are definitely going to be making progress. A lot of travel is going to happen for you guys. The month of November is also going to bring in some change. So all this change that I'm talking about, all these achievements, getting recognition, you could be traveling right now, but then again, the chances of having a very long distance or a very prominent travel are going to happen in the month of November. The next card that I have for you guys is the Six of Chalices. Six of Chalices is also a card where you have to look towards somebody, like find a mentor, look for a mentor, or something or some opportunity, especially when it comes to your job. Some opportunity that has happened in the past is going to circle back, and you are going to get to have to take another look at this opportunity. And if it is something that you really want to go ahead with, something you really want to explore, and you want to move ahead and make a career out of it, there are very good chances that it is going to happen. Another thing is that there are chances that you might hear of an opportunity, or you might get to know about a certain company from an old friend, from an old acquaintance, or a old relationship. But for some of you, this could also mean that the job that you were in, moving forward, it will require a lot of hand holding, because this person, they are holding hands, so a lot of hand holding would be required. So if you're seeking here, I do see you being independent, but here the independence might not be there. And at the bottom of the deck, I have the Five of Athens, which is the Five of Swords. So Five of Swords here is telling me that you have to be a little creative. Again, see, number five, it started with number five, it's ending with number five. So communication is the key. So I'm going to tell you two things that you have to be very careful about. One, there is going to be some kind of confusion in your brain, either regards to your career, to your profession, what is going on, when will I get a job. So all those things are very prominent. Some of you might also be let go from your job because of the Tower card. I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but a lot of times the Tower card means something is changing. Either you need to upgrade yourself with a new skill, you have to learn something, or you just have to change the way you look at it. But this Five of Themes is basically telling me that you guys need to learn how to be diplomatic when it comes to your conversations, not only with your colleagues but also with your bosses. Let's see from Moonology deck what sort of message are we getting, or what could be the advice for you for the month of July in regards to your career. The first card that I have for you guys is look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Full moon is a completion of the cycle. Remember when I told you, when this card showed up, number 7 is Ketu is being activated. Ketu is knowledge, so you have to gain more knowledge. And again, Sagittarius is a zodiac which is very similar to knowledge. They want you to grow. Again, Sagittarius also talks about long distance travel, so those things are going to be very prominent. Many of you might have more faith, or maybe leaning towards spirituality. So if you are a spiritual reader, or if you are a healer, or you deal with spirituality or occult, there are chances that you fall into this pile, and you have been going through this. So a lot of ups and downs are happening, and Sagittarius is also the it represents, it's a significator for wealth, it's a significator of joy. So for many of you, there could be some good news coming from your kids, but there is definitely some kind of positivity coming your way. There's a lot of optimism, and you guys are, because this is, again, this is a reading for Aries, and you are fire sign, and Sagittarius is also a fire sign. That means you have your goals already, so that confusion is going to be prominent, but I think it's more like you not making a decision. The next card from Monology deck that I have for you guys is a personal issue reaches resolution, full moon in Cancer. Cancer is about home. Cancer is also very similar to moon sign. It's ruled by moon. So we are talking about your fourth house getting activated. When fourth house gets activated, it's all about learning. It's all about things related to your home, things related to your mother. Your mother could play a very significant role in your career. It could also mean that the decisions that you have to take in regards to your career have to come from your subconscious. They have to come from your mind. Your emotions will play a very strong role when it comes to your career. Do let me know if this reading resonates, and don't forget to check out your other readings.